In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text and titles in Premiere Rush. Whether you're adding a title to introduce your video or incorporating text for emphasis, knowing how to work with text can enhance your storytelling and make your projects more professional. So let's dive in and explore this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by moving the playhead to the exact point in your timeline where you envision your text or title to appear. This is all about precision, ensuring your text aligns perfectly with the scene it corresponds to. The playhead essentially marks the current point that you're working on in your project, and it's where any new elements you add will be inserted. Next, let's add our text by clicking on the plus icon, which you'll find as the Add Media or Graphics button. If you're using a desktop, it's located on the left toolbar, whereas on mobile, you'll see it at the bottom of your screen. Click on that, and then select the Graphics option followed by Titles. This pathway leads you to a variety of title styles. Browsing through these title styles presents an opportunity to choose one that aligns with the theme and tone of your video. If you only see a limited selection at first, don't worry. Simply click on More to explore additional options. There's a diverse range of styles to choose from, so take your time to find the one that truly resonates with your project. Once you've made your choice, just click Add. Now that your chosen title style is part of your timeline, it's time for customization. Click on the title clip directly in the timeline to select it. This action allows you to modify the text. In the preview monitor, you can double-click on the text to begin typing your personalized message. Customizing the appearance of your text is where the fun really begins, and you can do this using the Graphics panel or the Edit panel. This is where you have the freedom to change the font style and size, experiment with color schemes, and adjust the alignment to fit your vision. If the position of the text isn't quite right, you can easily drag it to a new spot within the preview monitor. This flexibility ensures your text enhances the visual flow of your video rather than distracting from it. Finally, let's talk about perfecting the timing. Adjusting the duration of the title is straightforward. All you need to do is drag the edges of the title clip right in your timeline to shorten or lengthen its appearance. Furthermore, if you're working with multiple tracks, remember that you can shift the title to a different track as needed. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll effectively add text and titles to your projects in Premiere Rush, creating engaging content that clearly conveys your message to your audience. Happy editing!